Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Nextdoor. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Nextdoor application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials, including your email address and your password to log in. Once you have logged into your account, you will be taken to the home page, from which if you wish to delete your account, then you will need to tap on your account icon at the top left corner. Once you tap on this, you will see the settings button at the bottom left. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will be taken to the settings page. From this page, tap on account settings at the top, and this will open up all of your account settings that you can edit. Now from this page, scroll all the way down and you will find the deactivate your account option. Go ahead and tap on it, and you will be asked to provide a reason for deleting your account. You can tap on the drop down menu and choose any of the reasons that are suitable for you. And then you can scroll down and tap on the continue with deactivation option. Once you click on this button, you will be asked to enter your account password for security reasons. Go ahead and type in your account password, and you may also be asked to enter the security code that has been sent to your email address. So check your inbox within the email that you used to sign up for your Nextdoor account, and you will find the verification code. Once you enter this verification code within the next screen and then tap on the confirm button, your account will be scheduled for deletion, and it will be deactivated right away. Now you still have about 3 weeks to 1 month within which you can log back in and reactivate your account once again. However, if you wish to permanently delete your account, then make sure not to log in for at least 1 month. Once you do this, your account will be deleted permanently. And there you have it. That is how you can go about if you wish to delete your account on the Nextdoor application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.